Beep.
No, trucks.
Not on the choo-choo trucks. Izzy's toy time. Whoa! What a pretty truck, Daddy.
Thank you.
Let me
Really
see.
cool.
Show me. There's a crane.
And a boat.
This
What's the airplane doing up there? That's where the helipad.
And
It's for the
this
helicopter.
Bulldozer.
Whoa!
This guy.
There's that guy. Look, it's a little airport.
This is then downstairs. There's a walk down. This fire truck, this garbage truck.
Okay, show me around. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh no.
Oh no!
Like this. And then where do you go?
Cool. Whoa.
Big garbage truck.
Whoa.
And look at new big choo-choo.
Oh, look at our other choo-choos I forgot. These are our motorized choo-choos that we just got. Watch. Oh, Percy. Whoa, Thomas.
Can I show you the new track?
Diesel. Yeah.
Okay, he's in.
Let's go.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Whoa. Uh-oh. Did we lose it?
We're good.
No.
All right, here you go, airport. Here's your delivery. Big red box.
Uh-oh.
I go.
Hey, here comes Caitlin.
Hey, Caitlin.
Okay, one.
Can Caitlin go in? Whoa, let me see Caitlin. Oh!
Okay, you know what? We don't need this piece anymore. We're gonna drop it off here.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, what me?
Whoa, Caitlin.
Kiwi, come in your car.
Whoa. They met.
Here.
Daddy, coming to you.
Coming to you, Daddy.
Come on over.
No, we're on the bridge.
Whoa.
I made a little circle for him to go on.
That's so cool.
That's great.
I'm going up.
Caitlin's going up.
So we on this. We're
There she
going
goes.
down. We be easy going to try.
Nice.
And
Really cool, boo-boo.
Wow.
like right there. It's this Gordon.
That's pretty funny. Hey, it's
it's
like a little merry-go-round.
Yeah. Trying to see how many you can push.
Oh, yeah, there it
we
went.
just found it. Oh no!
Percy. There you go. Two. Got Percy. Got
He's barely making it. He's slowly going
Come
up.
on,
Come
come on, yeah. Hey. Oh no.
Make it, make it, make it.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Wow, it's strong.
Whoa.
Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? It wants to.
Come on.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. You figured it out.
Let's see. Press the button. Whoa. All right, let's put it right here. Let's attach some guys to it, yeah? Let's make it really cool. Roll and whistle Percy. Whoa! Uh-oh. Look, there it goes. Burp, 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 burp. Bubba, check it out. Look, it's going. Bubba, it's coming to you. It's coming to you. It's coming.
No, Percy. No.
Hey. Are they having a conversation on top of the
Look at the lighthouse.
lighthouse?
You mean the air traffic controller, Bubba?
Bring the planes in.
Red block like James.
Oh, it is a red block like James.
Hey, work!
Hey. Man, it doesn't like corners very much, does it?
This cornice is. It comes to trucks inside.
Oh no! Here comes Thomas, guys.
Bum, 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 bum.
Whoa. Oh, here comes Diesel.
Here comes Thomas, big too big.
Here comes Diesel.
Here comes
Look
Thomas.
at that. Diesel made it. Uh-oh.
Oh,
There you go. Thanks for helping
Guys,
Diesel.
here comes Thomas.
Oh, here comes Thomas. Oh no, Thomas is stuck right there.
no.
There they go.
This is for Scotsman. For Scotsman to make.
Push it. Can he make
He's
it?
pushing it. Come
Uh-oh.
on, I need to make it.
Diesel is having some problems.
Yeah. There he goes. Oh no.
Mommy, I put these on fire trucks.
Oh, cool. Let me see. Oh,
nice. Fire
nice. You
trucks.
found the fire trucks and the flying Scots. Oh.
Oh. Hi, Diesel.
Hey, Diesel. Wow.
Pretty neat.
Cool.
I'm fighting Thomas and make it around behind
Ah,
Cool.
that's cool. Oh, Thomas is trying. Oh, no. We got a runaway bulldozer, runaway bulldozer. Where's he going? Hey, somebody's got to catch him. Oh, no, he's breaking everything. Oh, runaway bulldozer. Get ready, here he comes. Oh, get him, get him. Ah. Oh, you did it. Look at that.
We need a claw.
That's Thomas. That's Thomas. Oh,
Look. It's going up and this is, look at the claw just coming round and around. It's a helicopter.
Wow.
I'm very bad.
no. Look at that.
Big one. This is crane.
Oh,
Look at that crane. Can we
What's
Take that
Daddy's
thing.
doing?
What's Daddy doing? He's playing with James. Whoa. Coming through. Whoa.
we got a wreck. We have a broken down train. We need to help them out.
Oh no.
Got a broken down train. Whoa, it's strong.
Oh. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.